break even is relatively straightforward. It's the point where revenue equals costs for a period of time, say a month or a quarter. Period. That's pretty simple. However, important to understand, so we can apply it, is this distinction between fixed costs and variable costs. In short, fixed costs are not going to fluctuate based on revenue, and they're generally stable per a budget or a plan, at least for the near term, for a certain number of months into the future, maybe even 12 months. Whereas variable costs are going to fluctuate as additional production and revenue is incurred. So additional labor, additional materials need to be purchased and issued to jobs, parts, etc. That's the basics. So how do we calculate it? Well, we need to classify every expense account in the financial system general ledger into these two buckets, either fixed or variable, period. Ideally, that's done in the general ledger itself, or a tool that's going to extract the information from the general ledger and allow us to save those two states, one or the other. Or if we can't do that, we got to throw the detail into Excel and then make those two subtotals. Then we're going to use algebra to calculate the given profit or loss as a function based of revenue. So what are my fixed costs and what is my variable cost as a percentage? And then that's going to be our calculation. So we can get both our break-even point, but also if we have revenue exceeding our break-even, what is that incremental profit going to be?